name's Karla Bartholomew. I work for Salt Lake Valley Health Department in the Environmental Health Division and in Water Quality and Hazardous Waste Bureau. One of my job descriptions has to do with pool sampling. So today we're going out and testing public and semi-public pools. I get to drive around the county and go to different pool establishments and test the pool, and I get to know where all the pools are. For me, the hardest part, getting as many done as possible, just trying to complete the different routes in time. Right now we're going to Fairmont Aquatic Center. We're going to see how they're doing. One of the first things I look for when I come into an establishment, I check out the drains and make sure that there aren't any broken pieces. If there are broken pieces, that's an immediate violation. All pool samplers are required to know how to swim. You have to go 18 inches deep to get a good sample. We're going to use our chemicals to find out how much chlorine and what the pH is. Make sure the public is safe. You know, if these pools aren't well taken care of, people can get sick. As we saw in the 2007 crypto outbreak, I mean, that's scary stuff to, get sick from swimming in a pool. You just can't have people neglecting pools and people getting hurt because of it. Right now we're going to go and test this apartment complex pool and whirlpool for chemicals. We're going to go over to the spa now. I'm going to grab a sample and come back over and show you what the water is like. I'm going to take half spa water and half distilled water. And I'll times my result by 2 to get an accurate reading. So it appears to be a 3, so 3 parts per million times by 2. The chlorine's at 6 parts per million, which is a little high, but it's not going to hurt anyone. If you get some people that don't shower and hop in, it'll drop that right down. It is so important to shower before and after you get into any kind of pool. Because if you're dirty, you're sweaty, you have shampoo or lotions on, it can actually tie up the chlorine so it's not readily available to sanitize and disinfect. And then afterwards, of course, you want to shower to get all those chemicals off you. Pool samplers are just a small part of environmental health. Everything from electronic waste recycling to septic tanks, even coming down to what to do with your prescription drugs. You know, don't flush them down the toilet. You know, don't make the fish do our drugs. In this video, we do a lot of emergency response. So any kind of spill, whether it's diesel spill or we had an oil trap overflow and it's going into the storm. There was a house mom who called up. She was absolutely terrified because a mercury thermometer broke. And she was really concerned for her children. Well, we went out there with our mercury meter, and, you know, we read the air, and she was just fine. But we're out there to help. We're here to help. If you have questions, call us. Go online.